Did you know that nearly every ancient civilization has a great flood story? From Noah's Ark in the Bible to the Epic of Gilgamesh in Mesopotamia, and even tales from indigenous peoples in the Americas, the theme is universal. A massive, world-altering flood, a handful of survivors, and a promise of a new beginning. For centuries, these were just myths. But what if there's a grain of truth? Modern science offers some fascinating theories. Some geologists point to the end of the last ice age around 10,000 years ago. As massive glaciers melted, sea levels rose dramatically, flooding coastal areas where early human civilizations thrived. Another popular theory involves a massive flood in the Black Sea region around 5600 BC. Geologists believe the Mediterranean Sea breached a natural dam, pouring into the Black Sea basin with the force of 200 Niagara Falls. This catastrophic event would have displaced countless people, and their stories, passed down through generations, could be the origin of these ancient legends. So, were these floods global or local catastrophes remembered as world-ending events? The debate continues. Thanks for watching.